So a couple of days ago, I was browsing on YouTube and I saw that if you put bicarb soda and ketchup together, it explodes. So today I'm going to be testing it. So I'm just going to start by getting some and then just pouring it in. The ketchup bottle needs to be about half empty, so then it can like fill up with the bicarb soda, baking soda, whatever you call it. We need quite a lot. Okay, that'll be enough. Guys, I'm at the park now to do this experiment. Make sure when you do it, you put the lid on and then you got to shake it up a lot. Hold the lid on while you're shaking it. Okay, 3, 2, 1.